Sergeant Paritosh Bhardwaj, and Sergeant Bhupender Singh.
Bugler! Advance call! बजाओ! Parade! Then by gone, then by step! Ten, chal!
Ladies and gentlemen, you can now see the parade entering the drill ground on the tune of Vijay Bharat.
Parade! Down! Parade! आगे बढ़ेगा! Then backward! Parade! Kuli line! Chal! Parade! Sarge! Dynamic! Sarge! Parade! Wave! Jump!
From short-range cannons to howitzers and missiles, from foot soldiers to the cyber domain, the entire warfare has transformed from its conventional setup to a warfare which is multidimensional and technologically advanced. With changing times and advancements in the field of technology, a need was felt to produce officers who were not only fine soldiers but also scholar warriors. Thus came into existence the Technical Entry Scheme in the year 1999. The Technical Entry Scheme, since its inception, has proved its mettle time and again in the entire Indian Army. The training of Technical Entry Scheme has a span of 5 years, and it is divided into 3 parts. In the first year of their training, the gentlemen cadets undergo a rigorous basic military training at the Officers Training Academy, Gaya. After this basic military training at OTA Gaya, the gentlemen cadets are sent to one of the 3 cadets training wings, which are situated at Military College of Telecommunication Engineering, Mau, Military College of Electronic and Mechanical Engineering, Sikandrabad, and College of Military Engineering, Pune, for their technical training leg. This is followed by 1 year of post-commission training, after the completion of which they are ready to take on the challenges that the modern Indian Army has to offer, and hence provide a technical edge to the organization. The gentlemen cadets getting commissioned from Cadets Training Wing, Mau, are awarded a degree in telecommunication and IT engineering from Jawaharlal Nehru University, New Delhi. Ladies and gentlemen, in a short while from now, the Deputy Commandant and Chief Instructor, Military College of Telecommunication Engineering, Major General C. Mani, will arrive to take the salute. Major General C. Mani was commissioned into the Corps of Signals in June 1982. He is an alumnus of National Defence Academy, Khadakwasla, Indian Military Academy, Dehradun, Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur, and Institute of Advanced Technology, Girinagar. He has commanded an electronic warfare subgroup in Jammu and Kashmir and has been the Chief Signal Officer of a corps in Eastern Command, Commandant 1 Signal Training Center, and Chief Signal Officer, Headquarter, Eastern Command. He has held important staff appointments of General Staff Officer Grade 2, War Games Section, Army Training Command, and AMS and Deputy MS at the MS branch. He was Colonel Instructor at the College of Defence Management, post the Higher Defence Management course. He is presently the Deputy Commandant and Chief Instructor, Military College of Telecommunication Engineering. His areas of interest are strategic management and technology management. Ladies and gentlemen, Major General C. Mani, Deputy Commandant and Chief Instructor, Military College of Telecommunication Engineering.
General Salute! Salamat! Shut!
आज के स्वर्णिम अवसर पर इन सज्जन प्रशिक्षणार्थियों की देश के भविष्य के प्रति भावनाओं को मैं कुछ इस तरह व्यक्त करना चाहूँगा। मैंने देखा एक सपना, सपने में भारत अपना, मौलिकता की नींव पर परिपूर्ण संरचना, मेरे भारत की नवमूर्ति रचना। सौहार्द की सुई में भरोसे का धागा हो, गूथी जिसमें प्रेम भाईचारे की माला हो। धर्म पंथ अनेक पर मकसद सबका एक हो, न कहीं बमों की गर्म हवा, न दंगा फसाद हो। दिल में बसता बस सबके हिंद महान हो, ऐसा हिंदुस्तान हो, ऐसा हिंदुस्तान हो। देश है स्वच्छंद तो विचार भी स्वच्छंद हो, हर किसी की सोच में स्वामी विवेकानंद हो। भगत बोसी खून में रवानी हो, जज्बा हो जोश जुनून हो, देश को समर्पित जवानी हो। नारी का सम्मान हो, देश पर अभिमान हो, ऐसा हिंदुस्तान हो, ऐसा हिंदुस्तान हो। अपने सपने के भारत को ऐसा मैं बनाऊंगा, हीरे मोतियों से नहीं बस प्रेम प्यार से सजाऊंगा। और अपने भारत को यही मैं सिखाऊंगा कि जीना यहीं और मरना यहीं है। भारत की मिट्टी से अच्छा तो स्वर्ग भी नहीं है। जमीन और जमीर स्वच्छता की अभिव्यक्ति हो, माता पिता गुरुजनों का स्थान सर्वोपरि हो, हर नए आगाज का खुशनुमा अंजाम हो। सब सफल हो, सब सबल हो, ऐसा हिंदुस्तान हो, ऐसा हिंदुस्तान हो, ऐसा हिंदुस्तान हो।
Success is failure turned inside out, the silver tint of the clouds of doubt. And you can never tell how close you are. It may be near when it seems afar. So stick to the fight when you are hardest hit. It's when things get worse that you must not quit.
आज इन भावी राजपत्रित अधिकारियों के जोश को मैं कुछ इस तरह बयां करना चाहूंगा। वो खून कहो किस मतलब का जिसमें उबाल का नाम नहीं, वो खून कहो किस मतलब का आ सके देश के काम नहीं, वो खून कहो किस मतलब का जिसमें जीवन न रवानी है, जो परवश होकर बहता है वो खून नहीं वो पानी है। आजादी का संग्राम कहीं पैसों पर खेला जाता है, यह शीश कटाने का सौदा नंगे सिर झेला जाता है। आजादी के चरणों में जो जयमाल चढ़ाई जाएगी, वो सुनो तुम्हारे शीशों के फूलों से गूंथी जाएगी। कुछ ऐसा ही जोश और जुनून लिए हर क्षण हर मौसम में डटे रहते हैं हमारी भारतीय थल सेना के बहादुर जवान।
Ladies and gentlemen, you will be glad to know that Cadets Training Wing, Military College of Telecommunication Engineering MAU, has been victorious in the Inter-CTW Triangular Meet for a total of 5 times, with the unique distinction of winning the trophy 2 consecutive times in 2016 and 2017. Cadets Training Wing MAU has also imparted training to various gentlemen cadets from friendly foreign nations, which include gentlemen cadets from Bhutan, Vietnam, Sri Lanka and Kazakhstan.
वो क्या जिए जो जिए तो बस खुद के लिए, जियो तो जियो औरों के लिए। अंधियारा हो चाहे कितना भी, हर गर्दिश में उजियार है घरों में उनके, जो जिए तो जिए बस वतन के लिए। निस्वार्थ सेवा एवं कर्तव्य परायणता के ऐसे ही मौलिक मूल्यों का सिंचन करती है कैडेट्स ट्रेनिंग विंग मऊ।
Ladies and gentlemen, in a short while from now, you will hear the fanfare heralding the arrival of Lieutenant General Milind N. Burke, Vishisht Seva Medal, Commandant, Military College of Telecommunication Engineering, and Colonel Commandant, Corps of Signals, the reviewing officer of today's parade. Lieutenant General Milind N. Burke is an alumnus of the National Defence Academy, Khadakwasla. The General Officer was commissioned into the Corps of Signals on 12 June 1982 in 24 Infantry Division Signal Regiment, a new raising. He has excelled in all important Army courses. He topped the Signal Officer Degree Engineering course, Serial 57, winning all 3 trophies on offer, and completed M.Tech in Computer Science from IIT Kharagpur with distinction. He has been awarded instructor grading in both Junior Command and Senior Command courses. He has done all prestigious courses like Defense Services Staff College course, Higher Air Command course, and National Defense College course. He has a comprehensive experience of both technical and general staff appointments. He was General Staff Officer Grade 1 Operations of a Strike Corps, which included conduct of a theatre-level exercise with troops, and Colonel Q works of a pivot corps. He has also tenated important appointments like Deputy Military Secretary in Military Secretariat Branch in Army Headquarters and Deputy Directorate General Information and Communication Technology in Deputy Chief of Army Staff, Information System and Training Secretariat. He commanded an Infantry Division Signal Regiment on the line of control during Operation Parakram and was a Group Commander at National Security Guard, also known as Black Cat Commandos. He was Chief Signal Officer of a Strike Corps in Western Sector. As Major General, he was Additional Directorate General Tactical Communications at Directorate General of Signals, Army Headquarters, and Chief Signal Officer at Command Headquarters. During his distinguished 38 years of service, he has been awarded Vishisht Seva Medal, Chief of Army Staff Commendation Card, and Army Commander Commendation Card.
डटे हैं हम सरहदों पे जब तलक खिलखिलाता सदा ये चमन होगा, मेरे पीछे तो बस मेरा नाम नमक निशान मेरा वतन होगा। तन समर्पित, मन समर्पित और यह जीवन समर्पित, चाहता हूं इस देश की धरती तुझे कुछ और भी दूं। ऐसा ही समर्पण का भाव है संपूर्ण भारतीय थल सेना में। हर व्यक्ति हिमालय बन जाए, हर शक्ति हिमालय बन जाए, किस किस को दुश्मन लांघेगा, हम खड़े हैं दुश्मन आ जाए, हम खड़े हैं दुश्मन आ जाए। ऐसी ही है हमारी भारतीय सेना और इसके जाबाज अधिकारी।
The motto of Cadets Training Wing is Power Through Knowledge, which is aptly described by the Cadets Training Wing insignia, consisting of a torch depicting knowledge and a sword crossed with a lightning bolt depicting power. ladies and gentlemen, Lieutenant General Milind N. Burke, Vishisht Seva Medal, Commandant, Military College of Telecommunication Engineering, and Colonel Commandant, Corps of Signals.
General Salute! Salamat! Yes!
The parade commander, Wing Cadet Captain Poojan Thapa, is now moving forward to give report to the reviewing officer of today's parade. Wing Cadet Captain Poojan Thapa is a 6-star gold torchie with a CGPA of 8.52. He is half blue in physical training, half blue in swimming, and merit card in cross country.
Jai Shriman! Shriman! Cadet training rank! 7th appointment! 87 gentlemen cadet! Parade part! Ajirap! Parade! Nikat line! Chal! Parade! Nikat column में तेज चाल से मत से गुजरेगा इन्फॉर्म प्लाटून आगे परेड तीनों तीन में दाहिने चलेगा दाहिने मुड़ परेड बाइसेप तेज चल
सच है विपत्ति जो आती है कायर को ही टहलाती है सूरमा नहीं विचलित होते क्षण एक नहीं धीरज होते शूरों का मूल नसाते हैं बड़ खुद विपत्ति पर छाते है कौन विघ्न ऐसा जग में टिक सके आदमी के मग में थम ठोक खेलता है जब नर पर्वत के जाते पांव उखड़ मानव जब जोर लगाता है पत्थर पानी बन जाता है गुण बड़े एक से एक प्रखर हैं छिपे मानवों के भीतर मेहंदी में जैसी लाली हो वर्तिका बीच उजियाली हो बत्ती जो नहीं जलाता है रोशनी नहीं वो पाता है मानव जब जोर लगाता है पत्थर पानी बन जाता है मानव जब जोर लगाता है पत्थर पानी बन जाता है
Ladies and gentlemen, now you can see Wing Cadet Captain Poojan Thapa and Wing Cadet Adjutant Deepak Singh taking the parade across the saluting dais, rendering salute to the reviewing officer of today's parade. This is the Alpha contingent marching across the saluting dais, being led by Platoon Cadet Captain Manish Nagar. Next is the Bravo contingent marching across the saluting dais, being led by Wing Cadet Quartermaster Sachin Kumar. Now, the Charlie contingent is marching smartly across the saluting dais, being led by Platoon Cadet Captain Prashant Kumar. I am a warrior. Fighting is my dharma. I will train my mind, body and spirit to fight. I will excel in all devices and weapons of war, present and future. I will always protect the weak. I will be truthful and forthright. I will be humane, cultured and compassionate. I will fight and embrace the consequences willingly. God, give me strength that I ask nothing of you. This is the code of a warrior, which instills the fighting spirit and never say die attitude in each and every gentleman cadet being trained at Cadets Training Wing and the entire Indian Army. Ladies and gentlemen, now you can see the parade marching smartly on the inspection line on the tune of Sare Jahan Se Acha.
Parade! Down! Parade! आगे बढ़ेगा! वायब! मुड़! Parade! Fully light! चल! Parade! Start! Madhya step! Start!
The parade will now march in review order and present a general salute to the reviewing officer of today's parade.
Parade! समीक्षा क्रम में मध्य से तेज चल! Parade! General Salute! Salamat! Set! Parade! March off! Set! Parade! Wave! Jump!
The parade has now formed up for the presentation of awards. The coveted awards being presented to the passing out course are the Sword of Honor, awarded to the best all-round gentleman cadet of the passing out course. The winner is Wing Cadet Quartermaster Sachin Kumar. He's being commissioned into the Corps of Signals. Army Training Command Silver Medal, awarded to the gentleman cadet passing out second in the overall order of merit. The winner is Wing Cadet Captain Poojan Thapa.
Sir!
He has also been awarded Silver Medal for standing second in the order of merit at Cadets Training Wing Mau, and he's being commissioned into 17th Battalion, the Bihar Regiment. Army Training Command Bronze Medal, awarded to the gentleman cadet passing out third in the overall order of merit. The winner is Wing Cadet Quartermaster Sachin Kumar. He has also been awarded Gold Medal for standing first in the order of merit at Cadets Training Wing Mau. Bronze Medal, awarded to the gentleman cadet passing out third in the order of merit at Cadets Training Wing Mau. The winner is Platoon Cadet Captain Prashant Kumar. He's being commissioned into the Corps of Signals. The General Officer Commanding-in-Chief Army Training Command banner, awarded to the best all-round platoon of the term. The winner is Arjun Platoon.
Propak! Samne se! Tension!
Ladies and gentlemen, you shall be glad to know that Cadets Training Wing Military College of Telecommunication Engineering Mau has the unique distinction of winning the coveted Sword of Honor for the third consecutive time.
Propak! Down!
The reviewing officer will now present the awards to the proud winners. Sword of Honor, awarded to the best all-round gentleman cadet amongst all 3 cadets training wings. Wing Cadet Quartermaster Sachin Kumar. Army Training Command Bronze Medal. Wing Cadet Quartermaster Sachin Kumar. Cadets Training Wing Gold Medal. Wing Cadet Quartermaster Sachin Kumar. Army Training Command Silver Medal. Wing Cadet Captain Poojan Thapa. Cadets Training Wing Silver Medal. Wing Cadet Captain Poojan Thapa. Cadets Training Wing Bronze Medal. Platoon Cadet Captain Prashant Kumar. The General Officer Commanding in Chief, Army Training Command Banner, Arjun Platoon.
Proper! Nikon! Finish! Proper! Slip! Proper! Peter Lutigo! Peter! One! Proper! Submission! Set! Proper! Stop! Proper! Again for the go! Dynamic! Move! Proper! Wave! Jump!
The reviewing officer will now address the parade.
Greetings and good morning to all of you on this pleasant Saturday morning. Major General C. Mani, Deputy Commandant and Chief Instructor, senior officers, instructors and staff of Cadets Training Wing and Military College of Telecommunication Engineering, gentlemen cadets of the Cadets Training Wing, ladies and gentlemen. It's indeed a pleasure and privilege for me to be with you all today. It's a very special day for the CDW and MCT to host this first ever passing out parade in the present form from the sacred soils of our alma mater. We all present here, and especially the TES 35 course, are fortunate to be part of this historical trend-setting event. The recent date of this event, the successful gentlemen cadets of the TES 35 course, you have completed the most challenging training curriculum and achieved a very important milestone in your life. This opens the doors of the great Indian Army for you. This event is being live streamed on social media, another first of its kind. I want to congratulate the proud parents, friends, and well-wishers of the gentlemen cadets. I also want to convey my greetings to the large number of Army officers, veterans, and well-wishers of the Indian Army and the Corps of Signals. We thank you for your support and good wishes. It was a treat today to watch this magnificent parade. I want to congratulate each and every gentleman cadet on this parade ground for an extraordinary performance. It is testimony to the sustained hard work put in by all of you. A special shabash to the passing out course TES 35. You all have made us proud. I am aware of the monumental efforts and hard work put in by Colonel Aniruddha Sakre and his team of dedicated officers, instructors, and staff at the Cadets Training Wing. A job very well done. You all deserve to be proud of your achievement. Well done and shabash also to all my colleagues at Military College of Telecommunication Engineering who worked tirelessly to make this event a success. The world is bravely fighting against the coronavirus pandemic. It has accelerated the technology absorption in all walks of life. Technology leaders and specialists like you are in most demand, rather you are the most in-demand commodity in all spheres of society, including the Indian Army. You have the right skill sets and competence to be the pivot of the modern Indian Army. Indian Army's drive to absorb and exploit emerging technologies is spearheaded by Military College of Telecommunication Engineering. Our core strengths will be artificial intelligence, big data, 5G, software-defined radios, quantum computing, and the advanced cyber operations. We shall be the prime movers and leaders in this path-breaking technologies, and we welcome the passing out course in our fold. The training which you underwent for last 4 years was aimed to make you mentally tough, physically fit, and professionally competent to face the challenges in your life ahead. We live in an era where technology promises both wondrous possibilities and profound disruptions. And this in turn is driving operational doctrines in armies all across the world. The battlefield of the 21st century is envisaged to be volatile, uncertain, complex, in addition to being multidimensional to include non-contact warfare, cyber operations, info operations, and space operations. Amongst the new generation of officers, you form part of an elite group who have been equipped with a potent blend of technical proficiency and sound military training, and hence are best placed to lead the transformation of the modern Indian Army. Essence of being an officer in the Indian Army is to be a sound leader of men. The art of war dictates application of not only military doctrine, tactics, weapons and equipment, but also a professionally competent, physically fit and morally upright, sound leader in order to achieve the desired results. Effective leadership continues to be of paramount importance for determining the outcome of wars. You as young leaders in your battalions and regiments shall be expected and required to lead by example. Remember, the man behind the machine shall always be the decisive and the battle-winning factor. This magnificent institution, the Cadets Training Wing of MCT, has a glorious history of producing officers who have always displayed physical and moral courage in the face of extreme challenges. As you cross the Antim Pag today, you will be stepping into the life of a warrior, just like the 866 officers who have passed out from this prestigious institution so far. All of them have trailblazed a path for you to follow and emulate. 6 Shaurya Chakras, 21 Sena medals. Yes, 6 Shaurya Chakras and 21 Sena medals and a plethora of other honors and awards are a testimony to the ethos and glorious traditions of your alma mater. I am confident that each one of you passing out of the hallowed portals of this wing would take upon yourself to bring further glory not only to this institution but also to the Indian Army as well. I also take this opportunity to compliment all the award winners. Wing Cadet Quartermaster Sachin Kumar for being awarded the prestigious Sword of Honor and the GOC-NCR Track Bronze Medal. Well done. Wing Cadet Captain Poojan Thapa for the award of GOC-NCR Track Silver Medal. Well done. And the Platoon Cadet Captain Prashant Kumar for standing third in order of merit at CDW MCT. Well done again. And finally, I would like to congratulate the gentlemen cadets of the Arjun Platoon for winning the coveted GOC-NC R-Track banner. Very well done. Keep it up. Finally, I would like to wish each one of you all the best in all your future endeavors. To the passing out course, I convey my best wishes for a successful career in the armed forces. Tivra Chaukas, Jai Hind.
Parade! Start! अपॉइंटमेंट डन बॉय चलेगा डन बॉय मुड़ अपॉइंटमेंट डन बॉय गॉन डन बॉय स्टेप टेट चल डन बॉय चलेगा डन बॉय मुड़
The passing out gentlemen cadets are now all set to take formal leave of this academy. For them, the hour has come to bid adieu to the wing which has been their home for 3 years. They will now come forward in slow march past the saluting dais, taking their final steps.
सफल जेंटलमैन कैडेट वारी वारी से धीरे चाल से अंतिम पग से गुजरेगा परेड डनवाय गॉन डनवाय से धीरे चल
Now, ladies and gentlemen, comes the defining moment, the time for which the solemn ceremony is held. The passing out gentlemen cadets will go past the saluting dais in slow march, taking their final steps through the Antim Pag. No doubt, for the passing out cadets, this is a sense of achievement, and for their parents, a sense of immense pride. But unheard and unfelt is the transformation and expectation this occasion demands from each one of them. A momentous occasion indeed, unforgettable and enthralling. I'm sure they will forever relive this occasion. Technical Entry Scheme Course Serial 35, which is getting commissioned today, consists of 30 Indian gentlemen cadets and 3 gentlemen cadets from Bhutan. The course has 5 half blues and 9 merit cards, 3 gold torches, 2 silver torches and 4 bronze torches. The way these gentlemen cadets have shown unflinching dedication towards their training, continuing with the same spirit, these brave hearts will climb the apex of excellence and professionalism wherever they are, and will not only make the Indian Army, but the whole country feel proud and confident in their capabilities.
वृक्ष हो भले खड़े, हो घने, हो बड़े, एक पत्र छांव भी मांग मत, मांग मत, मांग मत। अग्निपथ, अग्निपथ, अग्निपथ। तू ना थमेगा कभी, तू ना रुकेगा कभी, तू ना मुड़ेगा कभी। कर शपथ, कर शपथ, कर शपथ। अग्निपथ, अग्निपथ, अग्निपथ। ये महान दृश्य है, चल रहा मनुष्य है, अश्रु श्वेत रक्त से लथपथ, लथपथ, लथपथ। अग्निपथ, अग्निपथ, अग्निपथ।
ladies and gentlemen, and proud parents watching the live streaming of the passing out parade, you just witnessed a remarkable parade exhibiting the highest standards of highly coordinated drill movements and immaculate turnout showcased by the gentlemen cadets of Cadets Training Wing, Military College of Telecommunication Engineering, Mau. We shall resume with the live streaming of the pipping ceremony at 0855 hours.